Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Armada's rear windshield wiper blade. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself in about 10 minutes. You'll need a new 12-inch wiper blade, which is the standard size for most Armada models, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked and the ignition is off for safety. Now let's remove the old blade. First, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, you'll see a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then rotate the blade 90 degrees. With the tab pressed, slide the old blade straight off the hook. It should come off with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new 12-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests flat. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear windshield wiper with some washer fluid. Watch the new blade as it moves across the glass, ensuring it provides a clear, streak-free wipe. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to clean your wiper blades regularly and consider replacing them once a year to maintain excellent visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.